Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk Everyday Conversations channel. I'm your host, Lily.
And I am your host, James. We are so happy that you are here with us today.
We make episodes to help you speak English in your daily life.
If you enjoy this podcast, please follow the show and share it with someone who's learning English.
Today's topic is a very useful verb, how to use take in English.
We'll practice listening, learn everyday phrases, and have a natural conversation using take.
Are you ready?
Let's begin.
I'm doing well, but I'm a little tired today.
Same here. What made you tired?
This morning I had to take the bus and it was late. I waited a long time.
So you took a bus and it took a lot of time.
Exactly. Two different meanings of take in one short story.
That's why take is such a big topic. We use it constantly.
And learners often hear take and think, what does it mean this time?
The good news is the patterns are clear when you see examples.
Let's start with the simplest meaning. If I say, take this book, what does it mean?
It means you want someone to receive it and move it from your hands to theirs.
Right, so the basic meaning is to move or carry something.
I take my phone, I take my keys, I take a bag, I take money from my wallet.
Perfect. Now, transportation. Why do we say take a bus or take a train?
Because it means you use that method to travel. I take the bus to work.
And here's a useful detail for learners. If you're the driver, you usually say drive.
Right. I drive a car, but I take a taxi because I'm a passenger.
So take a car can mean you ride as a passenger.
And sometimes it can also mean borrow a car, depending on context.
Context matters a lot in English.
Yes, and take is a good example of that.
Now let's talk about time. This is one of the most common patterns. It takes plus time.
For example, it takes 10 minutes to make tea.
Or it takes 1 hour to get to the airport.
It means the activity needs that amount of time. The time is required.
We can also say, I take 10 minutes to get ready.
That means I need 10 minutes.
Here's a small tip for learners. It takes is about the activity, and I take is about the person.
Exactly. It takes 30 minutes to cook. I take 30 minutes to cook dinner.
Great. Now money. Usually we say cost for price.
This phone costs a lot.
But we also use take when we mean something requires money.
It takes money to travel. It takes a lot of money to buy a house.
Now photos. We say take a photo or take a picture.
Not make a photo.
Right. Take is the natural verb.
And we also say take a video.
Now medicine. We say take medicine.
Take a pill, take vitamins, take this medicine twice a day.
Doctors often say take 2 tablets in the morning.
And you can also ask, how should I take it?
Great question structure. Now restaurants. Take can mean choose.
A server asks, what would you like? And you say, I'll take the soup.
Meaning I choose the soup. I want the soup.
Same with shopping. I'll take the blue shirt.
Now another big category is take plus noun for common activities.
Take a shower, take a break, take a nap, take a walk.
These are fixed phrases. It's best to learn them as chunks, not word by word.
Let's practice them in a quick conversation.
When you're tired, what should you do?
I should take a break.
When you want fresh air?
I can take a walk.
If you didn't sleep well?
I might take a nap.
Before work in the morning?
Usually I take a shower.
Perfect. Now we also use take with care.
Take care means stay safe and healthy. People say it when saying goodbye.
And take care of means to be responsible for something.
I take care of my family. I take care of my plants. I'll take care of it.
I'll take care of it means I will handle it.
It's a great phrase for work and daily life.
Now let's talk about take in emotional situations.
Like, don't take it personally.
That means don't feel hurt as if it's about you.
Another one is don't take it the wrong way.
Meaning don't misunderstand and get offended.
And a very common one is, I take it you're busy.
That means, I assume you're busy. It sounds polite and natural.
Exactly. It's like saying, I guess you're busy, but a bit more formal.
Now, take back.
Take back can mean return something. I need to take this back to the shop.
And it can also mean retract words. I take it back. I didn't mean that.
Very useful after a misunderstanding.
Now, take off has two common meanings.
Take off your shoes means remove them.
And the plane takes off at 9 o'clock means it leaves the ground.
Take out is also very common.
Take out the trash means remove it from your home.
And with food, take away or take out means food to go.
Here's another phrase learners love. Take it easy.
It means relax, don't stress, don't work too hard. It's friendly and casual.
And another polite one is take a seat.
That means please sit down. It's common in offices and waiting rooms.
Now let's do 5 short practical scenes so listeners can hear take in real life.
Great. Scene 1, directions and transport.
Excuse me, how do I get to the museum?
You can take the Red Line train from this station.
How long does it take?
It takes about 15 minutes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Scene 2, ordering food.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
I'll take a large coffee and a cheese sandwich, please.
For here or to take away?
To take away, please. I want to take it to the park.
No problem.
Scene 3, at the doctor.
You have a fever. You need to take this medicine.
How do I take it?
Take 2 pills now, then take 1 pill every 8 hours.
Should I take it with food?
Yes, and please take it easy for a few days.
Scene 4, daily routine at home.
You take a long time to get ready.
I know. It takes me forever to choose clothes.
Can you take the toast out of the toaster?
Yes, and can you take these bags to the kitchen?
Sure.
Scene 5, work situation.
Can you take these papers to the manager?
Yes, but first I need to take a quick call.
No problem. And in the meeting, can you take notes?
Of course, but I hope the meeting doesn't take all day.
Same.
Great. Now let's summarize the main meanings of take.
Meaning 1, move or carry. Take this book.
Meaning 2, use transportation. Take a bus.
Meaning 3, require time. It takes 20 minutes.
Meaning 4, photos and media. Take a photo.
Meaning 5, medicine. Take a pill.
Meaning 6, choose or accept. I'll take it. Take my advice.
Meaning 7, fixed activity phrases. Take a break, take a shower, take a walk.
Plus common phrasal verbs, take off, take out, take back, and take care of.
Now we'll end with a question for our listeners.
What is something that takes you a long time to do?
For example, it takes me a long time to get ready, or it takes me a long time to decide.
Write your answer and practice one take sentence today.
Thanks for listening to Talk Everyday Conversations.
Take care of yourself.
And take it easy.